Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered how it got there for decades? The leading theory has been a dramatic one, a giant impact. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized planet named Theia slammed into the early Earth. The debris from this colossal collision eventually clumped together to form our moon. This idea has been around since the first Apollo samples were studied over 50 years ago. But one big mystery has always remained. Where did Theia come from? The problem is, Theia was completely destroyed in the collision. It doesn't exist anymore. So we have no direct evidence of what it was made of or where in the solar system it formed. It's like trying to solve a cosmic crime scene with the key piece of evidence missing. Scientists have been puzzled because when they look at rocks from Earth and the Moon, their chemical makeup is almost identical. This makes it incredibly difficult to tell which material came from ancient Earth and which came from Theia. But now, new research is shedding light on this ancient mystery. A team of scientists from France, Germany, and the United States has found a clever way to trace Theia's origins. They analyzed lunar rocks brought back by Apollo astronauts and ancient rocks from Earth, looking for tiny variations in their chemical fingerprints, known as isotopes. Think of it like planetary DNA. Different elements like iron, chromium, and molybdenum have slightly different isotopic signatures, depending on where they formed in the solar system. This is because conditions like temperature were different closer to the sun compared to farther out. By meticulously comparing these signatures, the team ran hundreds of computer simulations, essentially reverse engineering the giant impact. They tested countless combinations of what the early Earth and Theia could have been made of, trying to find a scenario that would result in the exact chemical mix we see in Earth and the Moon. Today, it's a bit like taking a finished cake and trying to figure out the precise recipe, including where every single ingredient was sourced. And their findings are a game changer. The results strongly suggest that Theia didn't come from the outer solar system, as some previously thought. Instead, it looks like Theia was an inner solar system native, forming even closer to the sun than Earth did. This is a huge step forward, as one astronomer put it. Even though Theia was vaporized billions of years ago, we can now pinpoint its cosmic neighborhood with incredible precision. This discovery doesn't just solve a long-standing puzzle about our own moon, it gives us a fascinating new window into the chaotic early days of our solar system. It helps us understand how planets grow, how they collide, and how these violent events can create new worlds. The story of Earth and its moon is a tale of a cosmic collision that ultimately gave our planet its closest companion, and now we're one step closer to understanding the full story. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey back in time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more space discoveries.